In front of me is ULEFONE Power Armor 18, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. First of all, you need to access Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by hitting the same one more time. You can also go into settings, scroll down and look for location section. Then tap on it and use this switcher to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!